Good afternoon, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. Hope everybody's doing well this Wednesday afternoon. It's hump day. We're halfway through the week. Hope you guys all have some good plans for this weekend. I'm just going to be snapping up trains. So anyway, petunias are doing pretty good, don't you think? I like them. Anyway, I do a little gardening around the house. This is my new place. We went out this morning, got some nice train action. The Union Pacifics and BNSFs. Nothing super special, but some nice videos, so check them out. Relax, grab yourself a snack, and we've been going 1 year now, and we just went by 2,000 subscribers, so it's pretty big milestones here. We're kind of celebrating two little hurdles we've gone over. So anyway, we're going to keep going strong. We really appreciate all the contributions that have come in over the last year, and especially over the last 24 hours. Congratulations on all that. So you know who you are. All right, you guys, let's enjoy the videos. We love you guys, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We will catch you on the next one. Take care. Thanks for your support. Bye-bye.
Hey, buddy. Buddy. We have to do a video, buddy. Okay. Catch you in the next one. Good afternoon, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass, main track number 3, westbound. Milepost 64.6 on the Cajon subdivision, Southern California, BNSF lines. Happy hump day. Hope everybody's doing awesome. We're at the curve at Blue Cut. Lower Swarth out. Train was tied down on main track 2 up at the old Cajon site. Eastbound went by on main 3. Now I know why it was tied down, because they moved this one over to 3 now. Nice old boxcars. We got some FedEx in here. Boise Cascade. Like an intermodal freight train. Why not if it's all going the same way, right? Boy, this train down here is honestly a couple miles long, and these DPUs right here are mid. That train's a good 1.5 miles past that. And this way too, it's double lash up, and it's been blocking this exit since I've been here in an hour. I haven't been here an hour, but I've been in the area an hour. This train hasn't moved. Blocking the crossing there. This is the only crossing between San Bernardino and probably Victorville. And the rest of them don't have gates. Anyway, so these people are stuck here. BNSF police are all over the place again today, checking everything out. So we're starting to wave at each other. He knows I'm a good guy. Well, I have to catch this train. So really long. Please subscribe to the channel. Share with your friends. Give us a big thumbs up. Help us out on Patreon if you can. We just went over 2,000 subscribers. And we're 1 year old like now. So it's our first anniversary, and plus we have 2,000, double celebration going on here. Thanks for all the contributions the last few days. And always. Really appreciate it, you guys. And thanks for the subscriptions and all the views, you other guys. Appreciate everything. We're going strong. We're going to keep going. We love you guys, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Take care.